Hello everyone, I'm Bella. Today's order is about facial sponge. This facial sponge material is wood pulp. It's soft, but not very soft because the surface is rough. So it has exfoliating function and can be used for facial cleaning, remove makeup, and exfoliating your skin. There are 4 colors. This one is yellow, pink, blue, and green. There are 4 different sizes. This one is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. This one is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. And this one is 9 centimeters. We also have 6 and 10 centimeters. It's different. The size different. And the height also different. This one, the height is 10 millimeters. This one, the height is 8 millimeters. Our current package is OPP bag. 1 piece in each bag, but also can be customized as your needs. Okay, let's go to see the last package before ship.